Hello everyone. So let us today begin Unit 2, Chapter 1, Comparisons. So what are comparisons? Comparisons म्हणजे तुलना करणे. दोन गोष्टींची तुलना करणे. So let us see what are comparisons. Okay. I will start with the poetry and side by side explain the complex words and figures of speech. Fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb, sour as a lemon, sweet as jam. ओके सो इथे काय केलं आहे म्हणजे फास्ट अँड स्लो आर टू कम्प्लिटली अपोजिट वर्ड्स राईट सो सच वर्ड्स हॅव बीन कम्पेअर्ड इन ईच लाईन सो द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच वुड बी antithesis. Whenever two opposite words are compared in a same line, then the figure of speech would be antithesis if we consider the first two lines together. Okay, so what is the meaning of a nail? Nail म्हणजे खिळा. Fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb. सार म्हणजे आंबट. जसं लिंबू असतो ना आंबट, सार. Dry as the desert, wet as the sea. इथे पण बघा तुम्ही ड्राय अँड वेट आर कम्प्लिटली अपोजिट वर्ड्स दे हॅव बीन कम्पेअर्ड स्क्वेअर ॲज अ हाऊस राऊंड ॲज अ पी सो हां प्रत्येक लाईनमध्ये इन ईच लाईन देर इज बिग ॲज अ डायनासॉर फिअर्स ॲज अ टायगर सो कॅन यू गेस विच फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज इट okay guess I would be revealing at the end maybe at the end of the session. Okay, square as a house, round as a pea, cool as a cave, warm as toast, noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost. रोड ड्रिल म्हणजे प्रभात फेरी मार्च पास परेड्स दे ऑल फॉल अंडर द कॅटेगरी दे आर सॉर्ट ऑफ रोड ड्रिल्स ते खूप असं गाजावाजा असतात म्हणजे नॉइझी असतात क्वाईट ॲज अ गोस्ट गोस्ट म्हणजे भूत स्ट्रॉंग ॲज अन ऑक्स वीक ॲज किटन हार्ड ॲज अ रॉक सॉफ्ट ॲज अ मिटन dark as a tunnel, light as the moon, night time midnight, daytime noon, tall as a giant, short as an elf. Elf म्हणजे जंगलात राहणारे परी लाईक इट इज लाईक वन देवता. Crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shelf. The world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. हे मिटन म्हणजे एक प्रकारचे ग्लव्ज. मित्रांनो शेवटच्या दोन ओळींमध्ये खूप असं गूढ अर्थ आहे. द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ अपोजिट्स सो थिंक ऑफ सम युअर सेल्फ. It means that world is a full of opposites like you have seen in this poem. So there are positivities as well as negativities, so we have to choose which side we want to think of, positive side or negative side. So we must have positive attitude in our life and must have confidence in ourselves and self belief. So let's move towards some activities. Figure of speech, simile. I had told you to guess the figure of speech a while ago. So that figure of speech is simile. Simile, actually simile and metaphor both are used to compare two things, but still they have a slight difference. So can you guess what that difference is? Okay, I will tell you the answer. Try guessing it by yourself too. Okay, difference between simile and metaphor. Examples of simile: dry as land. You can say wet as puddle. These lines are from the poem, right? And then metaphor also compares two different things, but there is no use of words such as, like, etc. For example, if I say her heart is like gold, so then it becomes simile. Why? because I have used the word like. But if I say her heart is gold, then it is what? Metaphor. Both convey the same thing, but the difference is just using the word like or as. So let's do some activity. Find and list down some more examples of figure of speech simile from the poem. And please post your answers in the comment section. Then we come to idioms with comparison. Idioms of comparison with colors. One example I shall help you out. I shall do it for you. Okay. In this type, same color is compared to some other thing or a quality. Like for example, whenever I say as black as a, then what comes in front of our mind? It may be black as a hare, black as a raven. Raven is a bird which is similar to crow, but it is fully black, completely black, not at all gray. When I say as red as, what suddenly comes to our mind is blood. So you can try out this activity. Refer to question 5 in your textbook and try to complete those blanks. And also post your answers in comment section for others to verify it. Okay. Okay, that's it for this poetry comparisons. Thank you.